That's because we left here late.
Okay.
It's to the north.
We left the set.
West of the rover.
Okay, copy that.
The vesical population. The
EVA
population
Go.
varies from
Give me that bearing
about
and range.
2 millimeter.
Right now,
To 1
we show him to be at 346 at
It forms
1.1.
about
That was what he just read out.
15%
We show Steno
of
to
the
be
rock.
at where he wanted
10
to
to
be at
15.
335 at 1.5.
Okay.
And I've given you green size and for the rocks near the limb, and that goes well for this one.
Okay, I copy that, Jack. Very good.
Hey, Capcom plug.
There is the parting that I mentioned. Still somewhat unknown origin, and we'll try to get a sample along the parting plane. It's clearly evident in one of the bigger blocks. Hey, Bob, just as we stopped the rover, I went on aux water. Do you want me to turn my primary water off? I don't have to, do I?
No, he's got to lay it on, Mike.
No need to.
That's what I figured.
They both have to be
Just
on.
want to cover all that. Okay, Jack, I think I got my housekeeping done.
It both have to be on. It doesn't
Hey,
work.
get your hammer.
Yeah.
We're going to need it. I've been carrying it all day. It's about time I used it. Okay. Bob, you're going to want to core at this site?
Roger, we'd like to get number one priority would be some block samples, including any dirt that was on the blocks, if there is such. And then the second priority is a rake soil sample. The third priority is a double core. And then also in there are the pans, of course, and other documented samples. But double core is there, although it is third priority.
Okay. Gene, do you think got your Noman, huh? Yep. I got my Noman, and I got to give him a TGE. When you said bring a hammer, I came... I'm sorry. No, no problem. Yeah, I shouldn't have disrupted. Two go hand in hand. Nothing disrupts your thought patterns more than somebody saying something. Ah, listen, it's my first geology stop. I guess I'm entitled to do that. Bob, you ready for a mark?
Roger.
Okay. Mark it, the light's flashing.
Copy that.
Okay, you got one picked out? Yeah, let's hit this, see if we can work on that one. It's at the edge, but we can chip it the parting plane, and that's one of the things that's come up that I think is of interest, that we've got to figure out why they have that foliation in them. Well, that rock is one of the more vesicular ones I've seen around. Well, they're all about that, Gene. They're either that or mixed with that variety. In the same boulder, you'll see a non-vesicular, a relatively non-vesicular. Okay, that's the, what's your shadow? That's the down sun. Ooh. Okay, right into the sun. Okay. Right at that, overlapping fracture, huh? Yeah, let me, get where I can maybe save the rock. If you can hook your, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and get it right up on top is where I'd like to disease. If you hit it on the right side, it'll go this way maybe. There you go. There's a good man. Piece right there. I get another one too. Try another one. Don't lose that one. Let me get that one for you. There, I get it. Got it. Oops.
Experiments
Okay, just keep it in sight here for a minute.
Go ahead. Hey, did you get a
That
time
is-
for that when the EP6 was deployed?
Go ahead.
1:22:06, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Try hitting, there you go.
Okay, yeah, we got 5 plus 4, 4.
Can you use the other end against the right side of the rock?
5 plus 04, the EVA time.
It's coming. That's all right. I'll get that one. Wait a minute. Be careful down in there. Whole thing is going to fracture off here in a minute. Just want to... trying. It's trying to fall. Or wear your hand out. That's good, Gene. Wait a minute.
Flight procedures, we're doing a checkpoint.
Let me give one more whack, because the whole thing is... No, that's too tight. Let me get that other piece. Okay, bag 476 is the rock sample with a little bit of the soil near it. But chip. Chip off the rock. And it's the... watch it, Gene. There's the other chip. Yeah, if I go down there, that thing's about 15 feet deep. Right. Got it. Okay? Okay, now, you think you can chip off the other side of that plane up on the edge? Yep. Then we'll get the soil. And maybe just a small rock, non-chipped. Let me tell you, my hands from that drill. Yeah, I'm sure they are. I really know I've been out here today. .476, Bob.
Copy that, Jack.
Is from the southeast side of the parting plane. There is a whole big slab right there. Okay, very good. Oh, look at the dark minerals in there. Are those dark, black? Yeah, they may be ilmenite or fresh piercing. Well, look at it. Give me a pressure of piercing. Okay, you want my bag? I tell you, if you work on any kind of slope like this little crater, okay, I'm gonna leave it open for a minute. Okay? Oh, we get that one. You're gonna have to use your tongs with that one, I think. Okay. I got it.
And 17, a reminder to factor into your thinking this is only a 30-minute stop and it's about 20 minutes remaining.
Yes, sir. Well,
Flight,
we got a sample,
that's
huh?
20 minutes, that's not right. We want to be away here. That's 5 plus 2, 8.
Yeah, it's more like 15 minutes, Capcom, instead of 20.
Okay, and the flashes are from inside of bugs and recrystallized vesicles. They look like piercing flashes. They could be ilmenite. I'll get my after picture.
Checkpoint complete.
Okay, let me get in there and get some soil. Okay, let's get it first on the north side. Whoops. Okay, the bag tore around that. It's pretty jagged rock, but I think that'll hold.
Okay, copy that.
That's in yours. Okay. Then Gene's sample collection bag. And scoop. Sample. You got a bag handy? Okay, bag 455, Bob. It's from the west side of the rock. It's under a slight overhang of the rock. In the shadow, anyway. Okay, that's from about 1 centimeter down, deep, 1 to 2 centimeters, and the next one is down to about 5 or 6. And it's got some chips in it. That's bag 456, Bob.
Copy that.
Okay. I know. I know.
Science, Capcom.
Oh, shoot.
Experiments, Capcom.
Yeah, 1.2 kilometers is a long way from the left.
Okay, we're going to have a rock box that's hardly full at all. I
Make
don't
you
think
get
I
a
get
feel
that
for
many
how big
samples.
this valley really is.
You're going to pack it
Really
empty
not.
like that?
Okay.
Best thing about that, I guess.
Yeah, let's work on it.
Yes, you're working
I'll
on
help
it.
you. I got it. Turn around, let me get these in your bag. I learned how. You learn of necessity out here. Okay? See if we can't fill this up for Christmas. Okay, let's, you happy there? Yeah, let's get your after. Okay. And if we can, we might get just a block instead of breaking on it. And then we'll go to the rake. Let's go around to the Bob wants a core here too, huh? Yeah, but the rake's next. As you might imagine. You know, now this looks, this stuff here looks a little less vesicular. Why don't we try that one? Hey, look at this rock where the vesicularity changes from a hummocky vesicularity to a very fine vesicular. Look at this. Let me try and see that? The change? Yeah, that's what I'm after. That's it. Let's see if I can't crack. That's what I saw in that other boulder. Let's see if I can't crack the corner and get that contact. Yeah, or get a piece of boulder. I think you can if you can reach down there. See if I can't get a... That's a contact in a rock. Yep.
Beautiful. And you guys see any 2-meter boulders around there?
We just sampled one. Now,
well, that one showed up on the photos. I wonder why those down near the outset didn't show up.
No, we're not where you think we are. We're not sure where we are. Gene, can you get down into that? Need some help? Yep, just give me the shovel to hold myself with. Give me a shovel.
I don't know.
How about that one? Yeah. Get that little piece. Okay, I see it. Pretty hard. See if I can't blow it hard to hit. How about coming around from this side? Well, I got the gnomon in the wrong place, really. Let me see your... Can you reach it? Well, I'm going to lean on the rock, maybe. I got that other little piece in sight. Okay, I got that piece in sight, too. Let me get them both with your... Let me get them both right now. You can stick that in the ground. Okay, this is a sample of the more coarsely vesicular rock. You got it in your hand? I got them both. I think actually we got a sample of both sides, but I wouldn't bet on it. Okay, I just got a chunk of that side. Okay, I got both of these.
Applied
See that rock
experiments.
right over there in a little mound?
Go ahead.
This
When they
is
finish this
taking out
boulder,
the
let's get them on to the other sample and the double core and the rake.
No, I'm pointing. There you go.
Okay.
Just about touched it. Right there, that piece. Okay, let me get these in a bag here.
Capcom, did you copy about after this they want to get on to the double core and rake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
I'll get that piece. And that's the samples from either side of the contact anyway. Can you get a bag? Pretty small. Give me a hammer and get a bag and I'll take the hammer. I got these in my hand I want to put there. Okay, bag 477 is the coarsely vesicular rock. There are 2 of them there? I hope 2 of them fell in. No, only got 1. Okay, here's that other one. It had to fall right here. I don't think it ever... There it is. Get your tongs. Right here. Now you're full of dirt in the scoop. You just covered it up. Got it. I got it. Here, put it in here with the dirt. That's good. Little dirt never hurt anybody. Got it. Got it. Okay. 477 are 2 chips of the, they're small, but I think they'll give you if there's any compositional difference. Are these 2 are the ones you saw? That right there? That's what you pointed at. Yeah, I think you got it. Okay. I'm going to take a close-up stereo of that contact. Definitely.
Okay, and Jack and Gene, when you get done with that boulder, we'd like you to move on to the rake soil sample, please. And it'll be a kilogram sample, please.
Yes, sir. We're going to. In bag 478 is the chip from the more finely vesicular rock. Both of them are coarse. It's a small chip, but it'll tell the story, I think. Dust, 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 dust. Here you are. I'll go ahead and get it close up. Close up, I'll get the rate. I'll get started on the rate. Okay. Gene, if you can pick up one more rock in that picture with your tongs, let's bag it.
I'll get it.
As you come back.
And 17, we'd like to have you guys drive in 10 minutes, please.
Nag, nag, nag.
That's right, that's right, that's right.
It's so full of dust. Okay. I guess you want to sort of out in nothing's land here, huh?
Flight Surgeon, would you like a BTU update?
I can bag it for you, Gene.
Okay, the average for the 5th hour
That's all right,
for the commander was 890, LMP 1170. The average BTUs per hour for the first 5 hours of EVA. Commander 1050,
5 meters,
LMP
5, 8
1140.
meters. Northeast of the rover.
29 minutes worth. The commander 700,
And,
LMP 1000.
As soon as Gene gets here to the Noman.
And that's it.
Okay, thank you.
Roger.
Coming, coming. Bob, I've got a sample that was laying next to that boulder. I did not get an after picture of it, but it's, as I was taking my cross-up
I don't
picture,
believe we're going to be able to finish
is on my
double
side of the
core
boulder,
rate
just about 4 or 5 inches
Well, it
covered
doesn't
with
look
the
like
dust
we're going
now.
to get the double core.
I think we
That's
probably
what you want to drop.
disturbed that one. It'll probably show up in
Yeah,
the
we're going to leave it 28.
Okay, copy that.
Okay. Drop the double core.
That's firm.
And that's in bag 479.
Okay.
Flight experiments, did they get the
Gene,
pans?
let's break,
No, we haven't got that yet either.
let's break right out
I don't
there.
think.
But let's go ahead, bag that one, and I'll get the Noman out there. Okay. Bob, as you might have seen from the camera,
Yeah,
up
we
towards where we
should
think
like
Emory
to get
is,
those pans to
you get a pretty high
narrow down where
concentration of boulders
the right
out there.
is.
Roger, we'll get.
Okay, and I think that's where we thought we were a little bit closer to Emory than you are.
Well, we thought about going on up there, although we're in a pretty good area here too, from a standpoint of boulders.
Yeah.
Again, I think face the sun.
That's
I think for the most part, large and small, all the fragments seem to be filleted or even mantled by the dark material. Let me get out of your way. Oh, I got to clean my camera. I can't even see. What area are you going to rake? To the your left of the ahead of the Noman and to your left there. Okay, I got it.
Okay, Gene, we copy that. That's a good observation, and I also gather that most of the rocks look pretty much the same.
That's what I said. Yeah, except a change in vesicularity.
Roger.
In terms of the size of the vesicles, where I described one as being a more hummocky vesicular type rock. The first time I've noticed any of the dark mineral was when we took that one big slab chip off that boulder.
Okay, copy that.
I didn't look at it that close to see what it was.
Copy that, guys.
I'm going to get a pan jack while you're doing that.
Okay. Good idea, Gene.
Capcom, we're going to delete the double core here.
Delete the double core, huh?
Roger.
Okay. Just to save time, or do you want to do something else instead?
Oh, save time.
Okay, we're still looking at leaving it driving by 5 plus 30, 6 minutes from now?
5
minutes
plus
from now?
28.
Okay.
And there's some good targets for the 500 around here. We got to get those massifs with the 500.
and 17, Gunnery
Bob,
Mike.
I'm really only penetrating. I'm only penetrating about the most 3 centimeters into this area with a rate. I picked up a fairly good sample of boulders, but most of them were within that distance of the surface and projecting out of it.
Okay, I copy that.
You ready, G? Couple more, Jack. Okay, coming at you. Bob, the pan's complete. I'll give you a frame count shortly.
Copy that, Gino.
2 bags, I think. 2 bag full. First bag is 457.
Copy that.
457. Oh man, don't let me lose them. That's enough. Give me a couple small ones. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. There you are. Okay, and bag 458 is the rest of the rake sample. They're all fragments.
Copy that. And then we need the kilogram of soil.
I'd say for the yes, sir. Okay, Bob, all the fragments, of course, are completely covered with the mantle, and they are slightly, or maybe 20% vesicular. I just took a glance at them. But for the most part, they appear to be rounded to sub-rounded fragments. Okay, let's get the kilogram.
Flight, tell me.
Go ahead.
Okay, based on about the last 30 minutes worth of data, we may have picked up a few minutes on the oxygen time.
What's a few?
Maybe about 10.
Okay.
But we can't be absolutely sure.
Okay.
Well, shoot. Start all over. Try it again. 459 will get the kilogram, Bob.
Copy that.
Get some more. Okay, fill it up. Can you close it? Yeah, I can close it. That's a good kilogram. Well, I just can't even read my camera anymore. I gotta learn how to control the dust. Okay, that's it. Okay, you get the answer. I tried to blow the dust off my camera. We could get a... I think it's gonna be hard to get a double core here. We could try a single right there. Bob, we got time to get the core?
Negative. Negative. The core's been deleted. We'd like you to get your second pan, Jack, and then we'll press on.
Okay. I'll get it over here where our 2 sample sites are in view.
Copy that.
Well, now I know why I felt that we were much too close to Triton than when I thought. We weren't really too close to Triton, because Triton's way out here. That makes me feel better. A guy would know if he landed 100 meters from a big set of craters like that.
Okay, EVA flight.
Go flight.
You want to get
landing site like this,
EP7
you
off
know
here
exactly
and
where you
put
are.
in the LMP's lap before we leave?
Yes, that'd be a good idea. His experiment's
Anyway, I landed
given
where I
you a
wanted to.
range for EP7
Okay, Bob, here's
deployment.
a reading for you.
Okay, ready
Yeah,
for
I
it.
think we got one. Experiments flight.
Go ahead, flight.
Where did you want this Charge 7 deployed here?
Flight, this is science, same place as the original schedule.
670-012901. 670-012901.
Science, that's 320 degrees
Okay,
at
copy that,
0.7.
Gino.
Science flight.
Okay, we no more charges to deploy going back, right?
No, we will deploy charge number 7 on the way back.
Flight experiments.
Go ahead, experiment.
That should be 0.6, but we think the LSF is further to the
at the
west.
same location we were originally planning on deploying.
320 degrees at
there.
0.6.
Okay.
Is that right?
0.6
Very
is
good,
that what
sir.
they're
We'll
saying?
get at it.
Roger.
Okay.
And I think the bearing is 320.
Flight EVA.
Okay.
And in answer to your question now, yes, we do want him to get it
Taking
before
your
he gets on the
camera.
rover.
Yeah.
Okay, and Jack, you got the pan, or getting it?
Yes, sir. And Bob, CDR is on frame count 6.